puyat ka sa kasalan. Okay, Miss, pakita mo pa sa amin ng mga totong anggulong Maricar Reyes mo, kaya good luck sa inyo.
Summers, give it up for Dominique Alvarez of Agana City, a.k.a. Maricar Reyes.
Why is this your finest house without telling me? No, I don't like it. It's just old and musty and falling apart. To be honest, it's not even my taste. No. Why would you want to live here? What's wrong with my condo? Why didn't you tell me? Is there someone else? Are you breaking up with me? What a journey it has been. And the end is not in sight.
At may imaginary mic siya.
Tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been.
Si Maricar, kaboses.
Oo, pero yung mas kahawig niya actually sa TV.
Sa screen. Ayan, o. Tayo na itong ano mga wedding gown mo, susuot ko. Tapos sasali ako sa Kalokalay. Bride of Chucky.